Tony from Tony's RC Tech, and I am so excited, right? So I've been leaving this for a while, but I got it about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks maybe. Anyway, it was a giveaway, and I've never won anything or been given anything in my life, you know what I mean? Again, I've only got 6 RCs, if I'm honest with you. You know, it's growing now, a little bit, slowly, but no one ever gives me anything. And I'm not getting a violin out there, by the way, guys. I'm just saying. So when I looked at this guy's channel, which is Colski Drones, right? Colin on Colski Drones done a video of a giveaway. I had no way in the world thought I was going to get it. So there he is, going on, and he goes, the winner is Tony's RC Tech. And I did jump about in the living room because I was so made up. Because I'm not drones. I want to get into drones, but it's one of them where you go, oh, should I buy one? I might not like it. I don't know. What happens if I buy one and then I don't like it? Do you know what I'm saying, guys? So anyway, I've not even seen this. So I can't remember what it looked like because my memory's bad, but I can't remember what it looks like. So I'm quite excited to open this. So again, Colin, here we go. Right, so I'm going to, oh, by the way, I'm going to leave a description as to his channel, and he's got fantastic stuff, does reviews, honest to God, always putting videos on all the time. Sometimes I can't even keep up with his videos, but I must admit, I like watching his videos, so I just love him. Sound. Right, Colski, I'm going to do this. Here we go. All right, let me just have a go. Oh, hang on, proper well package here, Col. Thanks for that, mate. Get the scissors out. It's like Christmas, because obviously I don't know what it looks like. Here's a little here. Oh, still don't know what it looks like. Still don't know what it looks like. The E61 mini drone, and I don't know if it's the white one or the black one. I have not looked yet, but it's got a camera on it. Colin, to be honest with you, mate, I forgot. I didn't even realise. I thought it was just a drone. I didn't realise it was a camera as well. Oh my word. Right, here we go. I'm going to take it out. Which way? Come on. Bear with me, guys. I know nothing about drones. Right, so there's the box. There's the instructions. Oh my word, this is cool. And the reason I'm saying it's cool because I can fly it in the living room because it's raining outside. I'm assuming I can fly this little bad boy. Oh my word. And it's completely ready to run because he's given me some batteries as well. AAA batteries. Oh, Colin, mate. That is one cool little drone, mate. Look at that. It's got like little eyes on it. There's the camera. Oh my word. I'm so excited. Right. I'm only going to do this one and then I'm going to do a flying one. Right, so obviously it comes with a USB. It's not a review. And look at the remote control. How good is that remote control? Wow. Loads of little buttons. I haven't got a clue. So I think Cole's done a review on this, so I'll be going back to his and I'm checking what he knows about it. But I love it, Cole. I love it. Look at the little fella. That is just I can't believe he even put a camera in there. How can he put a camera in something so small? Look at that. Can you see? Shaking a bit there. Oh man. So get on to Colin and Colski Drones. Unbelievable. Colin, oh man. Love you, bro. Made up. Oh, so get onto his channel, guys. And Colin, thanks very much. Thanks. If anyone else wants to give me something, they can. I'm joking. But honest to God, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thanks very much. Thank you very, very much, Colin. Big thumbs up from me. Tony's RC Tech out. Boom!